Keela, where are you going? Get your pacifier. Go get it. Don't be lazy. Get up. Get your pacifier. You're lazy. Get up. Get up, Keela. Go get that pacifier right there. It's not far. It's right there. What was that? What'd you say to me? What'd you say about my mama? You talking mess and baby talk? I know what you're saying. Keela, give me kissy, 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 kiss, 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 kiss.